In 2 days, the WWE throws the biggest party of the summer.
I've competed in steel cage matches and ladder matches. I've been handcuffed more times than I can remember. But all that comes to an end this Sunday at SummerSlam. You see...
No. You'll see, Triple H. You'll see that it'll all come to an end, but not the way you think. Oh, shut up! You seem to forget that you're no longer the King of Kings. Not only am I the last King of the Ring winner, but the last 2 times we faced each other, I nearly ended your career.
Miz, I assure you, I haven't forgotten a thing. In fact, I think it's you who have forgotten exactly what it means to face the game. So let me remind you right now.
Uh-oh, they're heading to the back.
My turn.